Hey guys, how are you? This is Nelly. In today's video, I will show you how I made this elastic fabric headband. And you know what guys, you can even use some old fabric, old clothes, old pillowcases, old curtains. Yes, you can use all of these materials to make headbands like this. It's so cool, right? I actually have 4 now. So what are we waiting for? Let's start! For the first step, choose your fabric and lay it flat on your workspace. Draw a rectangle for the front pieces. We will make 2. And for my headband, it's 17 inches by 5.5 inches. And in here, I'm drawing on the wrong side of the fabric. After drawing the front pieces, now we will draw a smaller rectangle for the back piece. This one is 13.5 inches by 2.5 inches. And now, let's just start cutting. Now cut a piece of elastic band. For my headband, it's 8 inches. Just adjust it if it's too tight or too loose. And now the second set will be for this headband, okay? Now we're ready to start sewing. As you can see, this is the right side of the fabric. We're going to hide it. We're going to fold it in like this. Now the wrong side is outside. I know it's not too obvious, but this is the wrong side. Now we will stitch a straight line here. For this, my sewing allowance is around 1/4 inch. Just make sure it's straight. And then do the same for the second front piece. Now we will turn it inside out, just like this. Now for the back piece. Again, make sure it's wrong side out, and then stitch it right here. Now, since the back piece is smaller, you can use a pair of tweezers, forceps, or a long stick. And just turn it inside out. Now put the elastic band inside this back piece. And make sure that the line is at the center. You may use a pin to secure it in place. And you have to do the same thing for the other end, but make sure that the elastic band is not twisted. And now you just have to loop the two front pieces like this. The lines should be inside, like this. And now put this back piece part on top of the front pieces, here at the center. And then fold the two sides on top of the back piece. For this part, the sewing allowance is 1/2 inch, since it will be pulled a lot. Do the same thing for the other end. And again, just fold it over it. Both sides, okay? And now that both ends are done, you can see it. Now you just have to pull it to hide all the ugly parts, like this. There you go. You hide all those ugly threads. Ta-da! And now this is for the second headband. So basically you will do the same thing, just stitch it in this part, stitch more, and cut and like turn it inside out and all that, and blah blah blah, da, 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 da. Okay. And then fold it over here, and then the lines are inside like this one. Okay, and now to loop, and then you're gonna put the elastic band inside the back piece. Okay, use a pin. And then you're gonna put this on that part, and then fold this side and then the other side, and then sew it here 1/2 inch, and then again sew it here again 1/2 inch, and then cut and then turn it inside out to hide all the ugly parts, and voila! Now it's done. Don't worry, since it kind of looks plain, we will decorate it. So that's how you make this simple elastic fabric headband. And as I've said, we're going to decorate this with something, and I chose this fabric flower, and I will post a separate video to show how I made this. And you have to promise me, guys, that you're gonna watch it, okay? And they're done. Now you can wear them. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please like and share it to your friends, and subscribe to this channel. And if you get bored, go make more headbands. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!